Whereas the phrases such as you and I is, you and I am, I and you is, you and me is, you and me am, me and you is, or me and you am are grammatically incorrect. Frequently asked question, you and I or you and me? Is it you and I or you and me? Yes, both you and I and you and me are grammatically correct depending on the situation. The simple rule is that you should use you and I as the subject of a verb in a sentence and you and me as the object of a verb in sentence. Watch the full video to learn all. You and I vs you and me. You and I is a subject pronoun used as the subject of a verb in a sentence, as in, you and I are going. Whereas you and me is an object pronoun used as the object of a verb in a sentence, as in, John told you and me. Refer to the full video to learn more. You and I or you and me examples. You and I examples in formal English. A. You and I are best friends. B. You and I are going to the market. C. You and I have discussed the topic. D. You and I were in the class. E. You and I want to get married.